Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios. Today we're looking at KYY's 15.6-inch monitor, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. I've got connected to my laptop, USB-C, and HDMI cable. So the HDMI cable going into the laptop and the USB-C powering it. You can power this by plugging in the wall or with USB power. You see I have it screen mirroring my Dell laptop. Absolutely phenomenal, and I just am showing you a screensaver to give you an idea what this looks like. Now, it does come with a little case here that you can fold up on itself. I essentially had it folded up on itself to where I could see the laptop at a little bit of an angle. Okay, just folds up. And just to give you an idea of how thin and lightweight this is, it's cold to the touch. It's not using a bunch of energy, and it is a fantastic 15.6-inch KYY device. Now, in case you're interested, if you want to toggle through, hit function F8, and you'll be able to do side-by-side screens. You'll be able to do up and down, left and right. You can mirror image, you can scroll through, or just extend the screen. So that option is just by clicking function F8 on your Windows device, and it'll automatically connect to your screen. But what I have right now is just screen mirroring, which can be great if you want to show something to a client and then show it to your, then have it so where you can see it as well. But there's a lot of reasons you may want this. So go ahead and order yours today. You won't be disappointed.